Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good, keeping yourself safe and healthy at your places, maintaining social distancing, wearing your mask, keeping your hands and your body sanitized, and I really hope that you all are taking a good care of your mental health as well. So today I'll be talking about mental health. So guys, whenever we hear this word mental health or whenever we talk about mental health, we usually think of emotions and feelings such as love, happiness, disgust, grief, or sometimes we think about mental illnesses. Whenever we hear the word mental health or whenever we talk about mental health, we think of mental illnesses such as anxiety, depression, OCD, etc. So guys, first of all, let me tell you that our lives are full of ups and downs, and we face or we deal with challenges every day. We deal with new challenges. So the problems could be anything. Someone might be feeling low about themselves. Some might be struggling with their looks. Some might be struggling with their relationship issues. Someone might be having multiple failures in life. When we grow up, while we grow up, we have difficulties in our life. At different milestones of our life, we have difficulties, we face these challenges, and we have new responsibilities in our life as well. So a good mental health enables us to deal with these challenges. But if we are not having a good mental health, we are unable to deal with these day-to-day life challenges. So guys, I'm here to tell you that mental health is also as important as your physical health. It is important from childhood to your older age. In India, most of the people are suffering from poor mental health. And the main reason for having poor mental health is the stigma attached to it, because of which people don't talk about it. They don't seek professional help. First of all, we all need to understand that physical health and mental health are connected to each other. If our physical health is good, our mental health will be good. If our mental health is good, our physical health will be good. I don't know why people don't understand that our mental health is also our priority. If we can reach out to a physician if we are having some physical injury or something, so why can't we seek professional help for our mental health issues? अगर हमारी बाजू टूट जाए या हमारे कहीं चोट लग जाए तो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. So why can't we go if we are facing any mental illnesses or mental issues or any stresses in life to a doctor, to a psychologist, to a psychotherapist? Guys, it is high time for us to talk about mental health, to normalize that mental health is also important, and to destigmatize mental health issues. So first step in order to help ourselves if we are facing any difficulties or challenges in our life which are making us unaware or incapable of doing anything, we need to talk about it. Talking about your mental health issues is really important. It is really important to talk about your feelings and your emotions. You can talk about your feelings and emotions with anyone you confine with, anyone you trust, anyone you think would understand what you are going through. I understand there might be some feeling of embarrassment. You might be feeling like मैं किसी को ये कैसे बता सकता हूँ, ये तो बहुत embarrassing movement है. But that embarrassing movement is really affecting your mental health. So you really need to talk about it. Expressing about your emotions and feelings really helps a lot. Guys, if you are feeling that you do not have anyone to talk about your feelings, and if you are going through any hardships or any stresses in your life, you can reach out to me. I will provide my details in the end of the video. Till then, take care of yourself and keep smiling.